Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys had a great Christmas and New Year's. Today what I want to talk about is barrel twist rate and an easy way to figure out your twist rate if your barrel isn't labeled. A lot of factory rifles, they don't label the barrel at all as far as twist rate, so you actually have to read the details from the manufacturer to figure out which barrel is going to be acceptable for you. If you're getting into long range shooting, it's probably, in my opinion, the most important thing is barrel twist rate. If you don't have a fast enough twist in your barrel to shoot the long range heavy bullets, you don't even have an option to shoot long range. So if you're going to buy a barrel, make sure you get the appropriate twist rate for the bullet that you plan on shooting. If you're just going to shoot a couple hundred yards, it's not really that big of a deal, but you still won't be able to shoot those heavier bullets made for longer distances. Bullets range from really light to really heavy. If your twist rate's appropriate, you can get the whole swath of bullets. You can shoot really light stuff, maybe varmint. You can shoot really heavy stuff, longer range. But if your twist rate is slow, you're kind of narrowed to the light bullets, which only maybe get you a few hundred yards. So a similar example is a quarterback throwing a football. If he throws a nice tight spiral, the ball's going to carry. If he throws a wobbler like this, the ball may not go 20 yards. So it's a simple example, and it's almost identical. The way to figure out your twist rate if your barrel isn't labeled is simple. You basically need a couple things. You need a cleaning rod with a brass or a nylon jag, something that's going to fit tight inside the barrel. You need a cleaning rod that's going to swivel. Most of them do. You need some tape and a tape measure. All you're going to do is slide your cleaning rod down your barrel until it pops out. Just slide it back and forth until it meets the rifling. And once you feel that, you're just going to add a piece of tape. And I'm going to use this end here as like a flag. So easiest for me is 12 o'clock. The concept is you're going to slide the cleaning rod out. You want this piece of tape to make one complete revolution. You're going to measure it, and that's going to be your twist rate. The good thing about twist rate is typically 223 or 556 is going to be 1 in 7 or 1 in 9. Those are the most common. If you're shooting 308, it's going to be 1 in 10 and 1 in 12. There are some differences in between. There may be a few 1 in 16, something like that. But the most common is 1 in 10, 1 in 12. The faster the twist rate, the more options you're going to have with bullets. So it's really important when you're purchasing or building a rifle to make sure that you have that twist rate, or you basically just threw your money away. You're just going to slide this out kind of quick. It's going to make one full revolution, the flag or the tape, and then you're going to mark it again. And then you're just going to take a measurement between the two. And I am at 1 in 10 inches. Simple way to figure out twist rate of your barrel. Hope it helps somebody out there. Thanks for watching. If you guys liked the video, like it, share it, subscribe. I appreciate it. And have a good day. Thanks a lot.